So just real quick, I wanted to make this video. For some reason, there still seems to be a lot of argument on the internet about whether or not dieseling actually works. The thing is that it absolutely definitely works. I'm going to show you guys real quick, but the point being that if you look on YouTube, there are very many people who have done chronograph tests with these, and every single person who does chronograph tests has confirmed that yes, you do absolutely add velocity to your pellets when you diesel them. I've seen numbers as high as like a 50% increase in velocity, like going from like 600 FPS to like 900 FPS was the most recent video that I watched. So a quite significant increase in velocity. And here what we're using my special blend, which I made a video on this blend previously. If you haven't seen that one already, of course, you can watch that one. Very specifically, I'm using these pellets here, which again, I also did somewhat of a review on these pellets, but these are the lightest pellets that I have, which means that these give me the highest potential of going supersonic with my air rifle. You'll notice that it literally goes from sounding like a pellet gun to sounding like an actual like 22 LR, like an actual gunshot. You'll notice that I actually sound kind of nervous in the video because it does actually kind of make me nervous to shoot that thing dieseled like that because it is actually so effective. But anyway, here's the video of me proving once and for all that yes, dieseling does actually work. Again, this isn't a chronograph test at all, but I think the results here speak for themselves. And plus, I also got a cool little gun-mounted view going on, so that's pretty nice too. So anyways, enjoy the little comparison. We're just going to do 2 shots. We're going to do one of the shots, just a plain old Excite pellet, no diesel at all, and then the second shot will have my custom Vaseline and Pellgunoil compound that I created. And I think in the future I might do a video comparing different dieseling compounds, but I'd kind of like to wait until I actually get a chronograph to do something like that because it feels kind of pointless. Regardless though, that's enough rambling. Let's get to it. Here's the video. All right, so here we go. We're going to be doing 2 shots. The first one is going to be normal. The second one is going to be dieseled. And these are the lightest pellets that I have, so these will go supersonic when I diesel them, and you will absolutely be able to hear the difference. Here's the one without dieseling. If I can actually aim this thing still, we'll see. Alright, pretty good, pretty good. Sounds like a pretty normal air rifle, right? Well, let's see what this sounds like when we run a dieseled shot through it. And this is my custom blend of dieseling petroleum. It is not the WD-40. And let's see how this one sounds. So yeah, sit here and try to tell me that dieseling doesn't work, because no, that shit definitely works, bro. That shit definitely works.